Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in today's Tinker Shop tutorial we're going to learn a little bit about the kerning feature that's in Cricut Design Space now. So let's get started. We're going to start on New Project, and you're going to come to your Canvas window. Now kerning is when you can use like cursive fonts and you can actually join them together, so that's been a really neat feature because before it was all spaced out, all those letters were spaced out. And if you were working with weeding, or sorry, if you were working with vinyl or any kind of like heat transfer material, it was very difficult to put those together. But now you can change that. So let's put some text here. Okay, I have some text created. I'm just going to go up to fonts, click on fonts, and then there's actually a few there. Now make sure that you have only kerned fonts selected. There's a few that you can actually pick from. And if it isn't there, you need to download it. Okay. Now you can see that our font is all together. Now keep in mind, if you're doing something with vinyl, look really closely. So if I put this just to a basic cut line, you're going to notice this overlap. And right there, the Cricut will still cut through. So if you want to join them together, you can still do that, but click on weld. Take a second, and now you can see that they're all connected. Now you can't change that after you've gone and clicked on weld, so make sure that this is exactly what you would like spelled out. So kerning is when you can actually merge all your text together and can cut out as one piece. So just always remember to weld your text at the end of your project, and you should be having some fun creating some labels or some signage. So that's today's tips and tricks on what is kerning, and I am Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Take care. Have a great day.